Today we are covering question and answers for Cisco DEVCOR350-901, developing applications using Cisco core platforms and APIs DEVCOR. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, go to the playlist link provided in the description. The question is, an application has three characteristics: provide one service or function, distributed database, API gateway, central repository for code configuration database, uses session management. Wish to design approaches contribute to the scalability of the application. Choose two. The options are: option A, build to scale based on a star topology. Option B, modular design iteration. Option C, session management in a stateless architecture. Option D, planned before first device is deployed. Option E, distributed computing with tightly coupled components. The correct answer is option C. Our question is, what is the effective logging strategy according to the 12-factor app tenets? The options are: option A, capture logs by the execution environment and route to the centralized destination. Option B, tag and save logs to the local document database that has querying capabilities. Option C, backup log files in a high availability remote cluster on the public cloud. Option D, timestamp and save logs in a local time series database that has querying capabilities. This is the test question. All you need to do is to answer it in the comment. Our question is, which two encryption principles should be applied to secure APIs? Choose two. The options are: option A, use temporary files as the part of the encryption and decryption process. Option B, transmit authorization information by using digitally signed payloads. Option C, use encrypted connections to protect data and transit. Option D, rescue source code that contain existing UUIDs. Option E, embed key in code to simplify the decryption process. The correct answer is option B. Our question is, a Cisco Catalyst 9000 switch has guest shell enabled. Which Linux command installs a third-party application? Please have a look at the options. The correct answer is option A. Our question is, which function does Fluented fulfill for application logging in Kubernetes? The options are: option A, logging agent for distribution. Option B, backend time series database storage. Option C, monitoring and log visualization. Option D, messaging queuing infrastructure. The correct answer is option A. Our next question is, refer to the exhibit. Please have a look at the given exhibit. A network engineer needs to handle API errors in these requests when users do not have permission to access the resource even if they are authenticated and authorized. Which line of codes need to be placed in the snippet where the code is missing to handle these API errors? Please have a look at the options. The correct answer is option B. Our question is, how is client code that consumes GPRC telemetry implemented, assuming that the preferred language is able to be chosen? The options are: option A, parse the OpenAPI spec model. Option B, compile the protocol buffers IDL. Option C, leverage a thrift code generator to parse a thrift IDL. Option D, review the Swagger API documentation to build client code. The correct answer is option B. Our next question is, refer to the exhibit. Please have a look at the given exhibit. Which CURL request is included in the presented XML as the body of the response? The options are, please look at the option. This is option A. This is the option B. This is option C. And this is option D. Now, which of the following options are correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? The correct answer is option D.